Hi everyone, today we have a lesson for a Yiddish song, and I'm just pulling up the Wikipedia page for it. It's called Oyfn Pripetshik. Might mispronounce that. It's an old Yiddish song. The author was born in 1848. It's an open source song, so the sheet music is on Wikipedia. It's not a difficult song. It's a song that a teacher would use to teach their children the Jewish alphabet. So the notes are right there. What I want to talk to you is sort of how I play the song. Looking at the notes, I realize that I've been playing it wrong this entire time, but it's not too wrong. So let's see how I play it and some tips for you to play it. So it's a quiet song. I see it as a very sad song. It's a song that was used in Schindler's List, I think, so I can't take that association out of my mind. So I play it with a muted bass. So what do I mean by that? There's a bass that's loud and used for oompa. And then I have this muted option, which takes away that And so I do use that. So a few things. One, with the left hand, I'm not playing loudly. Right? So just a bass tone, bass tone, la da da, ba da ba da dum. Da, da, ba, da, da. Right, so being gentle with your left hand, great idea on the song. The other thing that I'm going to show you that I do is I'm using not a big sound on the right hand. I have this master switch, right? I'm using a musette sound or even a single reed like a clarinet. It's a bit softer, even the high one, right? That's nice too. I find that the heavier master sound, it could work, but it requires more work to be delicate. And again, that's keeping with the delicate nature of the song. So, multi-fingered melodies on the song work really well, and here's what I mean by that. So there's a part that goes, right? You can do, so the chords there are F minor to B flat to E flat. F minor. Wouldn't that sound nice if we did that? So, or, yeah, or, so that's something to practice. In the sheet music that I have on accordionlove.com, I notate those multi-fingered melodies, right? And then essentially it's an F minor with an E flat to a B flat to an E flat. And if you use those chord variations, your hand doesn't need to move very much. Right? The left hand's not difficult, but it does have some weird timing there. So we don't always do an oom-papa rhythm on the song. The one that we do in the beginning, da-da-ba-da-ba, ba-da-ba-da, da-da, 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I don't have a chance to do an oom, ba, ba, ba. 1, 2, 3, 4 there. So it's just right? The only tricky part in the song, other than that timing, is there's a walk down from a C minor to an A flat. So I would practice that over and over again. C minor. Where does it come? Right? So I would practice C minor to A flat. And the song, so that's one way to practice. The song also works well with legato. Halfway through the song, I turn on my big bass. And it's nice to introduce that big kind of chorusy sound. Hold it. And come back to the delicate nature. So again, legato, it's the exact same thing that we're doing with staccato, but we're holding on. Right, so it's bass. Hold the bass tone, 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 bass tone, 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 bass tone. Again, refer to the legato bass tutorials if you need a refresher on that. Anyways, again, I choose to play the song delicately. I'm sure you could do it. I'm sure you can play it cheerfully. I just have this really delicate memory of it from that really sad movie, so that's why I play it delicately. Let me know if you have any questions. See what you can do with the song. Thank you.